Welcome to warm, sunny Prince George, British Columbia. Here at West Lake, we paddle with our 7 to 18-year-olds June to August. Normally, we're over there by Camp Hughes, but because of COVID, we have to practice here on the public access side. Because of the COVID pandemic, we've had to transfer all our boats from over there by Camp Hughes to over here, so now we have a boat trailer. So let's go unpack them, eh?